Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the live stream. Today, we are back to building our project. So, before that, let me tell you, I have done some API work in the background before coming live. So, I have added a Gemini API key. So, by the way, this is our project. If some of you might not have seen, some of you might be new. So, what we are building is just an adaptive AI quiz app, which can be used for practicing for competitive exams. So, this we are primarily focusing for now for GATE, but eventually it could be for other exams as well. So here we are almost done. We are doing in separate phases. So we have completed two phases right now, and we are building phase three currently. So, and phase three is also split into different, sub phases. So 3A was the API work, which I already did off stream. Um, Now let's do 3B. So after that, let's see how it looks. Let's ask for the prompt as well. Before that, I want to check if the audio is fine. I hope it is good and I'm audible. And before we proceed, if you also have any questions, please do let me know. Um, and also, you can ask me in between as well. So I will have the chat over here on the side. All right. So let me just ask for the prompt, right? And after that, let's see. Let me ask for the phase 3B prompt. And yeah, let's get it. Maybe in the meantime, I'll show you the project so far. So this is how it looks right now. All right. So you can select different options and you can submit the answer like this. And it gives an evaluation, right? If it is correct, right? So that's how it is. Even if it is incorrect, you know, it's going to give you, right, give you the explanation. So that's how it is. And there is a score over here, right? So this is where we have to add the questions, right? We can import the questions, and this is currently accepting only JSON type. Um, Later it has to be PDF formats as well. It has to accept PDF formats because AI understands JSON better. That's why it's implemented like this for now. But obviously, you can't do JSON, right? It has to be in PDF format. So I have to change this. Uh, so you can add the questions over here, and based on that, The AI is going to ask you uh, different questions, right, based on that pattern it has. So that's the idea, right? So let's see. Um, I think the prompt is here. Let's see. Let's wait for some time. Um, if we get the prompt, I can get started. All right, so now we have the prompt. So phase 3B will still not generate the questions. Um, all right, that's fine. So let's see. So what all is there in phase 3B? Let's see. Um, this is all we already have so far, right? Question database, question schema, JSON question import. That's what I said, right? Currently accepts only JSON format questions. So questions in the JSON format, and then validation, duplicate detection, filtering, pagination, MCQ, all different types that are asked in Gate, and then latex rendering. Latex is, you know, if you see here, over here, if you see, let me show you a question. Um, okay, all this right, like you see, for example, what example can I show? Let me see. So yeah, like this, you know. So this, right, all this like this, So this is latex, right? So normally, you know, it won't be able to write things this way, you know, and all this, right? These are symbols, so these are available only in latex. So it has to convert it to that form, and that's the thing. So that is latex rendering, and quiz submission is done. Okay, AI integration through the backend. AI provider abstraction, environment configuration, yeah, help test endpoints. All right, so that's done. Now let me just see if the stream is fine. Okay, I think the stream is all right. So let me just confirm that. If you're here, please do let me know by just dropping hi in the chat before we actually um, start off with our project building. So I think we can just start right now. So I think we order prompt. So it is, I don't know, it is stuck here. I hope we are still live though. Uh, so let me just check that. Hopefully we are still live. Please do let me know if you are able to see me and it's fine. Are we good? Hopefully. Not too sure. I think we are good. All right. Anyway, so probably just refresh this one. Um, let's see. Hmm. All right. It's taking some time. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please do ask me. Uh, I'll answer it if I can. Um, it's a little slow right now. It's taking some time to load. Let's just wait. Um, just wait for some time. Do I refresh again? Maybe not. Looks good. Um, the live stream is fine, I guess. All right. Let's see if this is here still loading. I don't know why it takes so long. Okay. All right. We are here finally. We have to get to the bottom. All right. All right. Finally, we are here. So I'll have to copy this first. Um, can't do anything without that. So let me just copy this. Hmm. And after that, I think probably I'll read it. Yeah, it's not yet copied still. I'll have to wait. Is it being copied? No, I guess not yet. Yes, I think now it is. So let's see. I think now it is copied. So let's see. Um, Let me just see. This is it, I guess. Yeah. So it is copied. Probably I think we can just read it here as well. Um, there's a lot of things, but yeah, let's wait. I'll just keep it here on the side. Should I do split window? No, right? Probably keep the chat in the background so that if you ask any questions, you can just answer. If you just joined, welcome to the stream. What we are doing building is uh, a platform for practicing competitive exams like GATE, JEE, etc. So that's what we are trying to build. So far it looks like this, or somewhat like this, let's say. So if you start practice, so it goes to the questions, right? So this is the thing. And skip the question, then go to different question. That's how it is right now. Let's see if you have to accept any permission here. No, it's still running, I think. Why did it go all the way to the top? Let's come. Okay, let's come to the workspace when you're actually there. Still generating something. It's a large text, so it has to read the whole thing, so it takes time. But maybe in the meantime, we can read what is there over here and let it happen in the background, right? And probably have it as a split window for now. Can't do the split window, the command prompt, that's the thing. Maybe I'll just try to minimize. I think this much is possible, right? So yeah, that much is possible, I guess. Can't minimize too much as well. So anyway, so let me try to scroll up here and this is completely stuck. I don't know what's going on here, but maybe it's just better to. Uh, I thought of reading it, but then uh, let's go down. So down here, and it's still generating some. I don't know why is it taking so long. It didn't even ask for any permission. I don't know what. Let's see what it generates. In the meantime, let me look at the chat as well. If there is anything. Okay, let it generate. So I'm just going to keep it that way. I spent 1.6K tokens just thinking. Um, yeah, that's how it is. Oh, anyway, what is going on now? It is still reading, so let's just wait. So I think something happened here. Um, what happened? It's just stuck, I think. or some command is running probably in the background. Something is running in the background. What happened? Can I ask question? By the way, by the way, what is running? Let's see. Hmm. So there are two background services running. Okay, that is fine, but not implement. What is happening? Should I say implement phase 3D? Implement phase 3D. So right now it's generating. So what did it do before? I didn't get that. It just went 1.6K tokens and then just stopped for some reason. So I don't know what happened there. Oh, all right. Hello to everyone just joining. Welcome to the stream. Let's see how long it takes to implement phase 3D. Um, Generating something. Um, let's see. Why it takes so long? What is going on here? It's taking so long. Okay, we don't want full screen. Let's go back. What is happening? The hardest part is, the hardest part of coding with AI is just, waiting like this. You know, I think you have to be the most patient person in the world. Huh. I think we should probably do some stream where we actually use no AI at all. Build something using no AI at all. And that would be fun, right? Let's see what is going on. It's taking so long. Hopefully, context, maybe let's see context. Okay, so this is the token usage, right? So we use so much tokens so far. Context usage. All right. Uh, what is happening over here? I don't get it. Should we stop and just start over? I mean, not start over, but like, I think it's just stuck for some reason. I don't know why. I just feel like we're just wasting tokens unnecessarily. I don't know what it's doing as well. That's the problem. Let's see. Let's ask something. Are you currently? Are you taking so long? So it says it's trying to do all these. Uh, but why is it taking so long to extend question data models or projects? Okay, but it's taking forever some reason. Should probably just wait. I don't know. The only issue is it didn't ask for any permissions, so um, maybe you should just stop and redo it. I think maybe just open the command line. It would just stop and redo it. Right? Let's see. What if there is something wrong here? Just got stuck here. Process has been stopped. But what process? Nothing is stopped here. It's still generating something. I don't know. So maybe let's just close it. I just close it and probably let's open it again and we'll try to rerun it. Um, let's see. Why does it not open? Okay, let's wait. Let's just wait for some time. The stream is good though. And you all still can hear me. Hopefully, I'm still audible. But yeah, the command prompt is also not opening now. My God, what happened here? I am not able to open the command prompt. Hmm, I don't know what happened. Everything got stuck, I guess. Hmm. We'll just have to wait for some time until the command prompt opens up. Everything is opening. Okay. Let me just close whatever we don't need. Oh, okay. Now, what happened here? All right, now we are good, right? This is okay. Mm, yes, we are good now. CD, let's go back. And then CD, AI quiz generator. And then UGI. Hmm. Let it open now. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please do ask me. And welcome to the stream if you've just joined. All right. So Anti-gravity is just opening. Alright, let's see. Mm, uh, Still takes a lot of time. So you just have to wait. Was there? Alright, let's resume now. And what happened? What happened there? Resume. Okay, now we got it right. So I think this is where it stopped. Continue with executing phase 3D. Right. Now hopefully the issues are fixed. We'll just have to wait. I think because this is like a very long thing, right? That's probably why it's taking so long. It has to look at a lot of things. So we have to just wait, I guess. There is no other way.